What's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we are in Lomas de Ajijic, which is in Ajijic village on Lake Chapala, guys. We're going to be visiting today this 2-bedroom with a den and a little casita to my right hand side here as we come into this private driveway. Fantastic views. The house was recently renovated in 2021, so you'll see new granite surfaces within the kitchen and the bathroom. Lomas de Ajijic has a fabulous clubhouse, and also if you like a bit of hiking, Lomas de Ajijic is located right at the top of Ajijic village, where the hiking track begins to take you all the way up to Chapala. So without further ado, come with me, the video is on its way. Welcome to Casa Lomas, listed for $569,000 US. The lot size is 680 square meters and the construction is 290 square meters. Casa Lomas is being sold fully furnished. So straight away you can see this private little driveway. There's space for at least 2 large vehicles, and behind that, that's where the Casita sits. They've done some beautiful artwork on the top of the boveda here. The house is separated in the west wing, which is to my right, and the east wing, where we'll find the master bedroom, coming into this beautiful open plan living area. This lovely area runs nicely off to the covered terrace, where you start taking views of Lake Chapala. Beautiful granite surfaces. I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. This room is south facing, so you can walk out onto the covered terrace, taking the views of Lake Chapala. The master bedroom comes with a split AC unit. Walking into the ensuite bathroom. The granite in here is matching the granite in the kitchen. Good size walk-in closet. Before we go into the west side of the property, I want to show you outside. Nice built-in area for barbecuing. So this is the master bedroom. So let's go and check out the rest of the house. Another full bathroom. Coming into the den, it could easily be turned into a 3rd bedroom in the main house. As I mentioned, we have space for 2 vehicles. This is a completely self-contained casita with a full bathroom and shower. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've liked the video today. Please leave in the comment section what you think of this fabulous property here in Lomas de Ajijic. I would love to hear from you. If you want to come and see this property or any other property for that matter here in Lake Chapala, feel free to email me. My email is in the description of the video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, hit that notification button and giving the video a thumbs up. If you want my monthly free newsletter, just click the link in the description of the video, put your email in and you'll get my free monthly newsletter. So there we have it. Hope you've enjoyed the video and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.